I'm seeing Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and I'm seeing the earth signs Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Okay, Virgo, let's see what else. For how do they feel about you? They also see you as someone that has a lot going on. Like there's a lot of things here distracting or in your mind, or like you have a lot of desires or wants, or you have a lot of things going on that are distracting from the relationship as well. And I think they also want to do something to where you can feel more safe, or I don't know, because it seems like they see you as having a lot of options or different things going on that are kind of got you in a bind or got you stuck in your head, or they could be the ones stuck in their head because they have a lot of things going on. So they want to come in with something that's gonna give more stable energy to this situation, relationship here. So there's for sure an investing kind of energy, like an investing energy, investing love, time, something like that. I don't know if we did get Hierophant, but we're gonna see if it's gonna come out on its own again, because I'm not sure if it's supposed to come out in the reverse or upright. All right, we are getting the Fool in the reverse, so there's something about not taking risks or not taking chances. They that's interesting. We'll have to come back and clarify that energy, okay? All right. What else for Virgo? 3 of Cups. Okay. Interesting. And 10 of Pentacles in the reverse. Okay. 3 of Cups. 10 of Pentacles in the reverse.